guys isku soo laabasho wanaagsan maanta waxaa la dhahay afka hala duubto because when I heard that the number of coronavirus cases increase in Somalia and as well in Kenya xaaladda waxay igu qasabtay inaan xirto maanta waayo I'm here now Somalia 2600 coronavirus cases in Kenya we have near to wax u dhow 2000 so now waxaan dhahay maanta dadka dhan afkay xirnaayeen waxaan dhahay marka maanta casharka aad dhigayso ardaydaada hasku gudbinina coronavirus marka afka xiro marka today afka noo xiran tahay ayaa you see this one here you see this it means sanitize you sanitize your hands and as well as stay safe, you stay home and save life, you just save your life. So that's why I'm teaching madama, and I mostly like to train students madama schoolkayga jirin college aan dhigay jirin high school aan dhigay jirin so now I have to teach it here at my I'm sitting at home. Let us begin. Ambalawna asharka maanta waxaa noo joogaa asharka 17 asharka 17 creating tables waan sameynay. Today we wanna gonna discuss with calculating how to calculate. Okay, let us start. Ang normal aan kusoo celinaynaa this one intaan ka format garaynaa horta design and technically the one normal one it was up the normal one is here. Okay, I want to add this Ali the record of Ali the record of Ali 12 plus 38 plus 15 it's equal to how many? Who is mathematician here? No one. Yeah, some guys I know they are trying to already say thank you. Okay, waxaan rabnaa inaan isku darno anagoo manual aan u sameynin waxaan rabaa inaan isku daro oo physics mathematics kema wuxuu ka keenay Ali. I click here first when now the cursor is clicking. I'll click layout, I'll click formula. Aan kusoo dhifoonaya marka halkan here's the formula. Waxaa qoran is equal to sum left. Sum left means isku dar when you're sitting here in the computer marka saan u hor fadhiso your left side is this side wixii oo dhinaca ka jiro isku dar tirada dhinaca ku jirto isku dar haddii right aad rabtana sum is equal to sum right side hadda kor aad rabtana is equal to sum above hadda hoos rabtana is equal to sum below. That's how you can add. So you must have this formula is equal to the property sum then the value you want to assign and the formula, the expression. So I click OK. 107 you can. Okay, let's go for Johan. I click here. I'm there in the layout, in the formula. Then it is writing for me the formula is equal to sum above. No, I don't want to add what is there. I don't want to add what is there because above is up here. So I want to add the left side, these ones. To alaf plus 36 plus 56. So I must wrap gudahan in the closing bracket what ayat hagaleysa what tirtiraysa above. Wrap above and type left. Yes, then click OK. It is also 102. Okay, Zamzam waan ku dhufanayaa layout there, formula there. I wrap above. If you wrap all of it, even the bracket, you have to enter first bracket then left closing bracket then okay 156. Okay, following, I click here, I go layout, formula, then above, I wrap the above, then I type left because the number of I want to add is in the left side. Yeah, it has been added now. 147. Okay, how do you see if you want to add those who are all the total physics? The guys waxay ka keeneen Ali Johan bala Zamzam bala following the total of physics score. I want to now see each and every individual subject is the score. I click here. Maybe I want to get the total of physics. I click here because we are in the total column. Intaan ku dhufanaya layout there, formula. Sidaan ku dhaafaya because the default, the automatic one is the above. Every time above ku imaani. Okay, umbas ka dhihi wixii kor isku dar. Waa isku dar 169. This one mathematic layout formula then above. Okay, iska dhihi 81. Click this one formula. Okay, 200 is all the total. You can even add all to the total. This is how you can calculate for the tables that you have discussed. So thank you very much for your listening. Please subscribe. That's what I mostly love, and you make us happy. Subscribe. Do whatever required. I'm here now.